Hi everyone and welcome to TechSounds YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use web extensions in Safari on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So for that, first go to the settings app. Now in settings app, simply scroll down and tap on Safari. Now in Safari settings, simply scroll down and under general section, you'll find the option for extensions. Simply tap on it. So when you tap on extensions, in this page you'll find the list of installed extensions for Safari. You can as well install a new one by tapping on more extensions. So when you tap on it, it will take you to App Store, and from here you can install any extensions you want, or you can simply search for the extensions that you want to install on your iPhone. So simply install it, and now, for example, I have installed the Grammarly extensions for Safari. So when you go back to settings on Safari and extensions, and here you'll find the extensions that I have installed. So from here as well, you can simply enable or disable that extensions for Safari by simply tapping on it and tapping on switch to turn it on and off. So when you turn it on, when you go to Safari, here on the search bar on the left side, you will find the extensions icon. When you tap on it, you will see the extensions, available extension here, like Grammarly for Safari is available here. And again, from here as well, you can enable or disable the extensions that you don't want by simply tapping on manage extensions. So when you tap on it, you will find the list of extensions that you have installed on your Safari. Simply tap on switch to turn it off, and tap on the switch, turn it on. So when you turn it off, tap on done. So when you do that, you won't find the extensions anymore on the Safari search bar. Again, if you want to enable it back again, you can go to settings, and from there you can simply enable that extensions for Safari. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please do like and subscribe.